Matt's been having a really bad cold lately. Yet, hasn't been feeling good. He's been sneezing like there's no tomorrow. He's been in bed in bad shape. It looks like he's coming in.
Yeah, Oliver.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good.
I just got out of bed. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
I seen you've been making a video.
Oh. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. You feeling better?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.